Hey guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to make a parallel circuit within the Circuit Wizard simulator. For it, first of all, you must know that which circuit is called as the parallel circuit. As we already learned about the series circuit in which all the components are in a single line. But in parallel circuit, all the components have their own paths. Means that the current flowing to each and every element must have a different path of flow. So let's get started and first click on File and click on New. Then you have two options, Electronics Project and Elementary Circuit. So click on Electronics Project and press OK. Now you can see on right hand side you can see two options, that is Gallery and Assistant. So you need to select the Gallery and then click on this Gallery drop down menu box. Okay, now here we have a lot of components and we have to select battery first because it is our main power supply, and then we will go for our what's called as the components. So we will use simple LEDs. Okay, so we can take first LED and this second LED and this third LED. So now we need to connect the last LED with the positive terminal of the battery and the next two LEDs with this common line. Now you can see that when current used to flow from this positive terminal of the battery, it will move to D1 via this path, to D2 via this path, and to D3 via this path. So it means that current has different paths for the flow for different devices. So this is our parallel circuit. In parallel circuit, current is always different, but voltages are same. Okay, voltages are always same. So we will attach the multimeters or voltmeters in order to observe the voltages. So okay, so this is our so like this and this and this. Okay, now we will observe or we can do one more thing. We can even place our ammeters, okay, in order to see the different amount of current. So we will place our ammeters. So this is our ammeter. The current is used to be different for different devices. If the devices are different, okay, then okay. Now can we change it with any other element? Yes, we can, with what's called as the filament lamp. Yes, so now we have different components. Now you can see that our D1, that is LED1, is extracting 48.87 milliampere via this path, and our flashing LED is taking around 976 milliampere. I think no, it's 8.9 milliampere, okay, in its on state. And what about this lamp one? It is getting 621 milliampere. That is huge amount of current. Okay, so current is different on all the paths. Okay, now we will measure the voltages. For it, we will take our voltmeters, and voltmeters must be connected across the component, because voltmeters are always connected like this if you want to measure the voltage. So connect them like this and this and this. So run it. So you can see that voltages are same, that is 8.94 volts, 8.94 and 8.94 volts. So in this way you can simulate your parallel circuit. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can measure or how we can make a parallel circuit within the Circuit Wizard simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.